Hello, George, Fat Ninja Foodforest. Say stacked and packed quite often. And what I mean by that is like companion planting, maybe on steroids, using annuals and perennials. A lot of the perennials have functions in those 7 layers of a food forest. But we're also in an annual garden right now. You wouldn't know it, but I have lots of perennials mixed in. I just harvested these potatoes. But right next to these potatoes are some grapes and black raspberries that are just finishing, elderberries, corn growing, sweet potatoes coming in next, a hazelnut that was coppiced, and I can go on and on, next to the apple tree. But this is, like I said, in the annual garden, so we're learning the shapes and functions of these plants, how they might work well together, what their root structure would look like, what their final size is. We're also able to put things like that pear and all these cherries and these gooseberries and currants all mixed in, sharing these areas. We only have a half acre to work with here. By doing that, even our annual garden on this side with all these beets and potatoes and squash has currants and apples hanging overhead and grapes up the fence and jujubes behind it and perennial leeks and comfrey. What else? Just mixing that diversity in. Blueberries and strawberries, outdoor kales and tomatoes. And this is the standard annual garden. Well, this is what we call a kitchen garden, something we walk through every day from the house, letting the chickens and ducks out. So we try and stack and pack everywhere we can. We'd grow more if we did it. Each frog just jumped. Each plant having its own area, but on a half acre we can't do that. By using these levels and layers, stacking and packing it, knowing the functions of certain plants and what they need, their shape and size, we're able to grow a whole ton of food in a small area. Hope that helps. I'm George. This is Fat Ninja Food Forest. Change can be better than holiday. Peace.